In this video, in 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear seats on Volkswagen Golf MK4, Jetta, New Beetle. Let's get started. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell. You won't miss any videos. Let's get started. As you can see on the bottom of the cushion, there's a strap. Pull it forward and tilt that cushion up, and as you can see there's the two springs, and release those ones by pushing out, and same thing on another side, just pull it out. Okay, cushion is removed, simple as that, not a big of a deal. Okay, there's a back side, there's a small lock mechanism. Pull that handle up and pull the back all the way down. All right, we tilted it down, and as you can see on the bottom where the hinge, there's a lock. See that lock part, and I'm using that like just a flat screwdriver or any suitable tool, and push it up and push it in, and as you can see now that bottom hinge is open, and I can pull my seat from the bottom. Okay, just slide that another side out, and that's it. Okay guys, if it will help someone, that's fantastic. Small section will go the same way, and yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Any comments, critics, suggestions, and again, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, take care and see you soon. Bye now.